If you are unable to send messages on Instagram from your Android device, here's how to fix it. First, restart the Instagram app, close it completely and reopen it to see if the messages start working. If not, try restarting your phone to refresh system processes. A weak or unstable connection can prevent messages from sending. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restarting a router or using a different network. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and update it if an update is available. If the issue still continues, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram to remove any corrupted files. Try clearing Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram in the list, then Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This can help fix temporary bugs. If your messages are not sending to a specific user, check if they have blocked you or restricted your messages. If you see this person is unavailable, it means they may have deactivated their account. Check if Instagram is down by visiting Down Detector or checking Twitter for user reports. If it's a server issue, you'll need to wait. If the issue started recently, you may be temporarily restricted due to sending too many DMs in a short time. Wait a few hours before trying again. As a last resort, report the issue to Instagram by going to Settings, Help, report a problem and explaining the issue. That's it. Hopefully your messages will start sending again. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.